In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access File Manager in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your web browser and visit Hostinger by entering the hostinger.ph address in the address bar. This is the entry point where you can explore everything Hostinger has to offer to bring your ideas online with a website. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with an interface designed to help you get started quickly. After you have reached the main Hostinger page, focus on finding the section labeled My Account. This option is typically located in the upper part of the web page and is your gateway to personalized settings and account management features. When you click on My Account, you will be taken to a dashboard that provides an overview of your services and tools specifically tailored to your hosting experience. Make sure you are logged into your account, as many features depend on your authenticated session. Moving on, navigate to the home area of the Hostinger control panel, which you can access by visiting hpanel.hostinger. This home panel serves as the central hub for all hosting related activities. Here you will see an organized layout that makes it simple to access the various tools available to manage your online presence effectively. From the control panel's homepage, you should look for the section that deals with your websites. This part of the panel is dedicated to the websites you have created or are currently managing. Clicking on the option titled Website will direct you to an area specifically designed to list and manage your hosted sites. This is where you can review the details of your websites and choose the one you wish to work on. After entering the website management area, find the option to view the website list. This list provides a comprehensive view of all the websites under your account, ensuring that you can easily locate the specific site you want to modify or update. It is useful to review the list to confirm that you are selecting the right website, especially if your account hosts multiple sites. Next, continue by navigating to the Tools section. This section is intended for various utilities that help manage backend operations associated with your websites. Within Tools, you will find access points to multiple features designed to enhance your control over your site's functionality and content. Within the Tools area, you should now click on the File Manager. The File Manager is a powerful interface that allows you to organize and manipulate your website files. It is designed to make file management tasks straightforward, whether you need to upload new files, organize your directories, or remove outdated content. The layout and options provided in the File Manager are user-friendly, which helps to simplify even the most complex of file management tasks. Finally, once you have entered the File Manager, locate the section labeled My Files. This area displays a complete list of your directories and files stored on the server. By clicking on My Files, you gain immediate access to view and manage your website's content. This is an important step for anyone wanting to maintain or update their website, ensuring that all changes are made directly through the interface. Following these instructions will guide you through the process of accessing the file management area on Hostinger. Each step has been designed to be clear and efficient, allowing you to manage your website files with ease. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined website management as you continue to develop and maintain your online presence with Hostinger.